Okay, we've got the integral of the natural log of x over x times the square roots of 2 plus the natural log squared of x. So in this video, we are going to focus on doing U-substitution to solve this. We're going to use what's inside the radical as our u. So we have u equals 2 plus the natural log squared of x. And then we want to take the derivative of both sides, so we end up with du equals, well, our 2 becomes 0, and then our natural log squared of x becomes 2 ln of x times 1 over x dx. And now we want to get dx by itself, so we got to divide both sides by this. So we end up with dx equals x du over 2 natural log of x. Now we've got that in, we can go back to our integral and start solving. So we've got this equals the integral of the natural log of x over x times the square root of u times x du over 2 natural log of x. Now at this point, the whole point of doing the U-substitution is to get some cancellation going. So we've got a couple things we can cancel out. We can get rid of this x and this x. We can get rid of the natural log of x here and here. And now that's pretty much all we can do as far as cancellation. So let's just clean this up. We've got equals the integral of 1 over the square roots of u du over 2. Okay, at this point, let's just move our constants out front, which is 1/2. So we have 1/2 times the integral of 1 over square roots of u du. And at this point, we've got the square root of u in the denominator, and we want to get that to the numerator. Now the square root of u is the same as u to the 1/2. And now if we move this into the numerator, that becomes u to the negative 1/2. So let's do that next. So we have this equals 1/2 times the integral of u to the negative 1/2 du. Now all that's left is just taking the integral of u to the negative 1/2. So we've got 1/2 times u to the, well, we add 1 here, so we get 1/2, and then we take the reciprocal of that and put it out front, so we've got 2 over 1, like that. And now we've got this that cancels, so this becomes 1 out front, so we're left with u to the 1/2. Now u to the 1/2, well, our u was this up here. So we got to put that back in for u, and because it's to the 1/2, it's going to be a square root of 2 plus the natural log squared of x, and our plus c, because it's an indefinite integral. And that is the answer to this integration problem. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you next time.